Do you have persistent cough, chest pain, or shortness of breath? Don't ignore it. Sometimes viral infections like influenza or COVID can progress to pneumonia, especially in adults with chronic conditions, older age, or a weak immune system. Symptoms include fever, persistent cough, chest pain, shortness of breath, fatigue, and sometimes confusion in older adults. Early medical evaluation is crucial to ensure proper treatment, prevent complications, and support faster recovery. Pneumonia can become severe quickly, so prompt care is essential during these winter months. Notice these warning signs? Visit Health Express immediately for assessment and treatment.